Hello, good morning. Jerry B here, Tuesday morning, October 20th, 2020. Just bought this Samsung Galaxy S20 5G Ultra yesterday, and it is a super phone. Gotta show you some of these cool ringtones. Some really neat ones. Start out with some of my favorites. The 80s phone. Isn't that cool? We got arcade. Very neat. And then we go over to Baby Waltz. Quite frankly, that right there would drive me nuts. That's kind of cool. But then we go over to Swan. Crystal Echo. Universal Bell. It's got a real universe bell. It's got a real universal sound to it. Look at this one. I like it. Shooting star. Oh, Pluto. Sounds like a brand new rock and roll song. Oh, that's me. That's me right there. Orbit. Kind of neat. Neptune. I'll show you a really cool one. That's very neat, isn't it? Cosmos. That's me as well. I'm very much of a beep beep kind of guy. But I gotta say that I think we're gonna stick with, that's my favorite, Orbit. It's like a futuristic, going into the future type of ringtone. Out of the pandemic, in the middle of the pandemic, and into the future. As best as we can in the pandemic. Peace. God bless.